УЗУР ДЖУЗУПБЕКОВ, the 28-year-old from Kyrgyzstan, taking on ЛУКАС ЛАЗОЖИАНИS, the 23-year-old German, having himself quite a tournament.
Yeah, he really did. And a guy, LAZOJIANIS, a guy who never takes a step back, likes walking forward, likes pushing the pace. And DЖУЗУPBEKOV, a guy, if he gets you in parterre, you need to get that defense going, otherwise you will be buckling up for a free flying class.
He has signed Minnie up for that volunteer class. Flying, he has sent from his stand-up position. The long arms that he has just perfectly built for the opportunity to go parterre. DЖUZUPBEKOV, 28 years old. Represented Kyrgyzstan at a couple of world championships, 2017, ironically in Paris, where he was trying to get his final destination this year, and then again in 20 in Sultan. The German gets the opportunity first. LAZOJIANIS. Start to the right side of the body. Referee telling DЖUZUPBEKOV to open it up. He does. LAZOJIANIS, low gut around the belly button, trying to get a turn here to the right side of the body. Now he's up to his feet, looking for a lift. He has him up, and he will not be able to finish it near the edge. Looks like he'll just get the one on the step out. It is confirmed, so a one-pointer for LAZOJIANIS.
Yeah, I mean, he had him up, but again, just rushing that position just a little bit too much when really he could have taken his time there. So far, so good. 2-0 in the front, in lead. 4 minutes, 10 seconds on the clock.
The young career of LAZOJIANIS tied up with DЖUZUPBEKOV. He won a world bronze at U23 last year. He's represented Germany in one senior world championship. It was in 2022, so really just kind of getting started as far as his senior career goes. And if today and yesterday are any indication, it's going to be a good one and a fun one for the German fans to follow.
And like we said, he's only a young guy, you know, he's got a lot in front of him as well as this, so he can easily do another Olympic cycle after this, but almost 3 minutes away from booking his spot in Paris.
Carries a 2-0 lead into the second period over УЗУР ДЖУЗУПБЕКОВ. Remind you, we are back tomorrow. Same start time as we bring in men's freestyle to close out this year's edition of the Next Chance World Olympic Qualifiers. Hope you can join us. Another full day of competition. We'll finish up with the final 6 automatic spots for the Olympics with women's freestyle as well. Coverage coming your way tomorrow right here on UWW. Period starts with LAZOJIANIS taking some territory, quickly switched up by DЖUZUPBEKOV. We have watched the last couple of matches where the wrestler who was given parterre in the first period come out, set the tone in the second, and be the first one to get the parterre opportunity. Can that trend continue here? And if you're Germany, you certainly want that trend to continue. And as we talked about, not go underneath DЖUZUPBEKOV. Able to avoid it. And now a critical swing moment in this match at the 2:18 mark. DЖУЗУПБЕКОВ, parterre. See how effortlessly he gets into his grip. Up into that stand-up. Takes him over, and then he got caught on his back. I don't know what they're waiting for, but there's the fall. Man, he was flat on his back. And obviously this is going to be challenged, and they're going to take a look at it. So here you see the throw, George.
I didn't see a leg foul. He just threw him here. No leg foul. He came out, landed on top, and had him in the pinning position.
Boy, this could be a real bizarre finish here if this holds for LAZOGIANIS.
This could be, yeah, incredibly bizarre. This is, you should never stop wrestling. Never you should stop wrestling.
We have seen that on a few occasions last couple of days. The arm, the hand touching the thigh there, the right thigh of DЖУЗUPBEKOV.
And then challenge on mat B. Attack by red. Blue make leg foul. Caution blue, 2-point red. And again parterre position. Time is back. 2:09.
So that contact with the hand below the waist on the thigh of DЖUZUPBEKOV, and he knew it right away. Caution will be given. The fall is wiped out. The challenge is won by Kyrgyzstan. Now with the foul, the caution applied, the 2 applied, and we still stay in parterre for DЖUZUPBEKOV. DЖUZUPBEKOV is serving his favorite dish. He knows how he likes it cooked, just making sure those legs are in the right spot for him to get to where he wants to go. Long arms going to work, trying to yield some more magic. Has the young German somewhat up in the air. The German keeping that foot planted, and out of bounds they go. 1 red, it's confirmed, and a 4-2 lead.
LAZOGIANIS fighting for his life in that parterre position there. Still got time left on the clock though. We've seen it done before. 1:30 left.
LAZOGIANIS, it seems like he has an endless tank. Keeping the pressure up. Inside a minute. Has that caution to deal with. Caution and 2 right now, the difference. Jumps on that front headlock position. First time we've seen him here. Comes down onto a knee to try to increase the force. No avail. DЖUZUPBEKOV so strong, able to clear his neck out of the way. Now trying to thrust in those double unders, has the over-under position here. Somebody might go for a ride, and it is DЖUZUPBEKOV who ends up smack dab on top of LAZOGIANIS. He went for it.
I mean, he had to go in that position. So 26 seconds left on the clock. He had to attempt the throw. Had no other choice there.
Right, smack dab, absorbing every ounce of weight on that sternum. That'll knock the wind out of you. Certainly put some wind into the sails of the Kyrgyzstan corner. They love seeing that. 6-2. 18 seconds. No quit though in Lazogiannis, and he'll get a drive and a step out for a point. And then another one on the caution to fleeing the mat. Wrestler with a caution. Just take a little bit to get the point straight. There it is. So 6-4, 15 seconds. A little magic late maybe from Lazogiannis. Short time, 5 seconds. Getting back in that over-under position, working near the edge and out of bounds, and that is going to be it. Time has been allowed to expire, and it will be Kyrgyzstan advancing to Paris. Your representative, 97 kilos, УЗУР ДЖУЗУПБЕКОВ. Tenths of a second. That is now officially going to be it. Both wrestlers just simultaneously fell backwards in complete exhaustion. Two couldn't have timed it any better. One will lay there, realize the significance of this win. The young German will already start to plan his course for 2028 in LA.